Hello guys, I am going to show you how to integrate ConvertBox with ActiveCampaign in 2024. Use the link in the description to sign up to ConvertBox at a huge discount. Step 1. In the ConvertBox dashboard, click on your profile image in the top right-hand corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Select the Integrations tab. Step 3. On our ActiveCampaign integration, select Connect. Step 4. Open a new window and log into your ActiveCampaign account. In the ActiveCampaign dashboard, select the settings icon in the bottom left-hand corner. Step 5. From the left-hand settings menu, select Developer, then copy your API URL and your API key ready for the next step. Step 6. Go back to the ConvertBox integration page for ActiveCampaign. Give your account a name that will easily identify it and paste your API URL and API key into the fields below. Then click Connect to ActiveCampaign to finish integrating your account.